Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today, we're going to show you how to install our all-new scene light kit for the Kuat IBEX Bed Rack on my 2021 F-150. Let's get started. Start by removing the lens from the rock light. Then, remove the black grommet in the center. Install the rock light onto the bracket using the included bolt and washer. Route the wiring harness through the gap on the bracket. On the back side of the bracket, place the large washer and nut onto the bolt. Tighten using a 5/16 inch wrench and a 4mm Allen key. With our rock light secured to the bracket, place the rubber grommet back in the center. For this installation, you can use either the provided amber or clear lenses. For this setup, we'll be using the clear lens. You can now reinstall it onto the light. It should be noted this can be changed later if desired, simply by removing the installed lens and swapping for another color. Repeat these steps for the remaining lights. Next, insert 2 T-nuts into the T-slot on the underside of the IBEX bed rack, ensuring they align with the opening. Then, slide the light and bracket onto the IBEX rack and secure the bolts to the T-nuts using a 6mm Allen key. You can now repeat these steps for the remaining lights. For optimal light output, we recommend installing 2 lights on each side of the rack, one positioned toward the front and one toward the rear. Next, open the hood to gain access to the battery. For this installation, you can either use the provided switch or wire the lights into the optional D-switch hub. If you're using the provided switch harness, disconnect the negative terminal from your battery using the correct socket. Connect and tighten the ground wire from the harness to the negative terminal. Repeat this step for the positive terminal. If you're using the included switch, route it through the firewall and into the cabin, making sure to stay away from any hot or moving parts. If you're using the optional D-switch, start by removing the cover on the hub. Next, take the provided switch harness and use a multi-purpose wiring tool to cut and strip the orange and white wires. Route the ground wire from the harness to the D-switch. Then, loosen the negative terminal of your desired switch output with a Phillips head screwdriver. Insert the wire and tighten it back down. Route the orange and white wires through the D-switch opening. Connect the orange wire to the positive terminal for high power and the white wire to another for low power. With these connected, you can reinstall the cover. With the switch you used connected, plug one of the 5-meter extensions into the harness and route it to the IBEX rack. On this F-150, we routed the wire through the fender, along the running boards, and up the back of the cab, making sure to stay away from any hot or moving parts. With the wire routed, connect your splitter to the extension. Grab the included wire retaining strip and use a pair of scissors to cut it into 1-inch sections. Next, connect an extension to your farthest light. Note that you can run the extensions through any of the open channels. For this install, we'll be routing it on the inner channel. Route the wire along the channel, inserting a wire retainer as needed. Next, connect the light closest to the cab with an extension and route the wire down along the rack. Once the wires are routed, connect your extensions to the splitter you ran earlier. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle. Once the wires are routed, test for functionality. Finally, zip tie any loose wiring away from any hot or moving parts. And that's it. Your scene lights are fully installed, wired, and ready to light up the night. With the lights turned on, you can see this kit adds a ton of output to the sides with the high power mode. If you don't need the full 1000 lumens per rock light, you can use the lower power mode to help light up your campsite. If you're looking to pick up a set of these or any of our other IBEX Bed Rack kits, check out our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.